ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome. We are seeing one of the most emotional expression of Bharatji in the Sabha, where Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, all the mothers, the Gurujan and the Praja of both Janakpuri and Ayodhya, both of them are there, and there Bharatji brings out all his emotions. Suhrada sujana susahibahi bahuta kahaba badi khori आय सुदय्य देव अब सबई सुधारी मोरी. O Lord, Ayasudeya, please give me your command. You are loving, you are intelligent, and you are such a good master. It is a mistake for me to speak in front of you also, but then the necessity, that particular, the pressure of time, condition, situation made me speak. Forgive me for that. And now, please be pleased to command what I should do. And since you have accomplished everything, you are the right person to guide me. Continuing in the 301st verse. प्रभुपद पदुम पराग दोहाई सत्य सुकृत सुख सीव सुहाई सो करि कहूँ ये अपने की रुचि जागत सोवत सपने की सहज स्नेह स्वामी सेवकाई स्वार्थ चल फल चारि बिहाई अज्ञा समन सुसाहिब सेवा सो प्रसादु जन पावै देवा अस कहि प्रेम बिबस भय बारी पुलक शरीर बिलोचन बारी प्रभु पद कमल गहे अकुलाई समउ सनेहुन सो कहीं जाई कृपा सिंधु सन मानि सुबानी बैठाए समीप गहि पानी भरत विनय सुनि देखि सुभाऊ शिथिल स्नेह सभा रघुराऊ रघुराऊ शिथिल स्नेह साधु समाज मुनि मिथिलाधनी मन महु सराहत भरत भायप भगति की महिमा घनी भरत ही प्रशंसत विबुध बरषत सुमन मानस मलिन से तुलसी बिकल सब लोग सुनि सकुचे निसागम नलिन से देखि दुखारी दीन दुहु समाज नर नारी सब मघवा महामलीन मुए मारी मंगल चहत Bharata continues. प्रभु पद पदुम पराग दुहाई सत्य सुकृत सुख सीव सुहाई. He says, I swear by the dust of my Lord's feet. It is very, very powerful. The dust of the Lord's feet, of Guru's feet, of elders' feet are all very powerful, and therefore Bharatji says, swearing by the dust of the Lord's feet, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji's feet, which is the, Satya Sukrita Sukha. It is the peak of truth, virtue and happiness, Sukha. It is the highest. So kari kahamu ye apane ki. I now proclaim, I will now tell you the desire which has been, which I cherish in my heart. Ruchi jagata so vata sapane ki. And this I cherish at all three periods of time. In the waking, dream as well as deep sleep state. One may wonder, Swamiji, how in deep sleep, in our deep sleep, the seed of our quality and texture of thoughts are there in very, very, very deep form. And it is that which always gives the quality and texture of thoughts while we are in dream or awake. Therefore, deep sleep means it is there. सहज स्नेह स्वामी सेवकाई स्वार्थ चल फलचारी बिहाई. To serve my master is, my very nature, my spontaneous nature, with purity, with love, with devotion, forgetting all my interests. Svaratha chala phala chari bihai. I have given up all my personal desires, including the Chaturvida Phala Purushartha, Artha, Dharma, Kama, Moksha. Even that I give up for the sake of serving my master. Agya samanasu sahiba seva, so prasadu jana pavai deva. Please, my Lord, your servant, me, let me obtain this favor from you. How? In the form of order. In the form of an order, let me, be blessed with that seva, and by orders, the greatest service to the noblest masters is the greatest blessing. Acharyaya priyam dhanamahritya prajatantum ma vyavachhetsi satyanna pramaditavyam dharmanna pramaditavyam kushalanna pramaditavyam bhutyaina pramaditavyam swadhyaya pravachanabhyanna pramaditavyam. Taittiriya Upanishad gives a very beautiful list of commandments. And what is it? Acharyaya priyam dhanamahritya prajatantum avyavatsehi. One has to completely surrender and obey the orders of the Acharya, who is otherwise Lord only. In this case, Lord. Asa kahi prema bibasa bhaye bhari pulaka sarira bilochana bari. Asakahi, by saying so, prema bibasa bhaye, Bharata became completely overwhelmed with lot of emotions, lot of love towards the Lord. Pulaka sarira, all the hairs stood at its ends, and bilochana bari, the eyes were full of tears. Prabhu pada kamal gahe akulai samau sanehu na so kahi jai. He was so distressed. One side he was in utter love and devotion at the feet of Bhagavan, and at the other side he was so distressed, and therefore he went and clasped Bhagavan's feet. Samau saneha na sohi kahi jai. The very excitement of that moment, the intensity of everybody's emotions, affection, everything cannot be described in words. Na so kahi jai. It cannot be explained. Kripa sindhu sanamani subani. The ocean of compassion. Bhagavan honored. He respected Bharata with such beautiful, kind words. Baithaye samipa gahi pani. He realized Bharatji was in such distress. He was emotionally hit, pulled him near him, and he made him sit very next to him. Bharata binaya suni dekhi subhavu sitila saneha sabhara ghuravu. Sabha, this whole assembly, including Bhagavan Ramchandraji himself, were overpowered by the love of Bharata and the wonderful words that he spoke to all of them, which actually expressed who Bharata was. What was his love towards the Lord? How was his surrender at the feet of the Lord? All that it described. Raghuravu sithila saneha sadhu samaja muni mithiladhani. Ramchandraji, all the Sithila Saneha Sadhu, all the congregation of all Sadhujan, Samaja, Praja, Muni, Vashishtaji, Mithila Dhani, meaning what? Mithila Dhani, the ruler of Mithila Nagari, Janaka Maharaj. Manamahu Sarahata Bharata Bhayapa Bhagati ki Mahima Ghani. All were spellbound, seeing the love. And that beautiful heart of Bharatji, it cannot be expressed, described. So everybody were spellbound by the affection and devotion of Bharatji towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji. Bharata hi prasamsata bibuddha barashata sumanamanasa malinase. The gods, celestial beings, as always, they took the image, they were waiting for that role. Probably the main role only they were playing, showering flowers on Bharata. At the same time, Manasa Malinase, there was, some, confusion in their heart. Now what is going to happen? Will Bharata take away Rama? Will Ramchandra go along with Bharata to Ayodhya? What is going to happen? Because there is so much of congregation of emotions of not only Bharata but even Ramchandraji, Gurujan, all the mothers and Praja. Tulasi bikala sabaloga suni. Tulsidaji says, everyone felt very distressed. Sakuche nisagama nalinase. And all were, so uncomfortable because the situation was like that. Nobody could ever think which side the game is going to go. And then the night approached. Dekhi dukhari deena duhu samaja nar nari sab madhava mahamalina muye mari mangala chahata. Now, everybody were afflicted by so much of emotions, seeing every man and woman, naranari, dekhi dukhari deena, seeing all of their pain, both of Ayodhya as well as Mithila. Indra Devata, who was supposed to be the most, in a manner of saying, very malicious, very self-centered. You find this in all the Shastras, you will find the person who creates a problem is Indra Devata, who has got so much of fear of losing his chair. You thought only politicians act like that? See, Indra Devata is also like that only. So malicious, so wicked in a manner of saying. Now, he always sought for his own happiness only, even by killing anybody for that matter. It is said, he is ready to kill those who are already dead also. That means what? So malicious he is, so bad he is. And Indra Devata was extremely disturbed. Now what Bhagavan says, we will see. Kapata kuchali seva sura raju para akaja priya apana kaju kaka samana pakari puriti chali malina katahuna pratiti prathama kumata kari kapatu sankela so uchatu sabake siramela suramaya sabaloga vimohe rama prema atisayana bichohe bhaya uchata basamana thiranahi chana bana ruchi chana sadana sohahi दुबिध मनोगति प्रजा दुखारी सरित सिंधु संगम जनु बारी दुचित कतहु परितोषु न लहही एक एक सन मरमु न कही लखिय हसी कह कृपा निधानु सरिस स्वान मघवान जुबानु भरतु जनकु मुनि जन सचिव साधु सचेत बिहाई लागी देव माया सबही जता जोगु जनु पाई सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कपट कुचाली सीव सुर राजो पर अकाज प्रिय आपन काजो। This Indra is one of the worst specimen of what? Deceitful thoughts. And he will do anything. He will become the best villain to concentrate only on his lonely happiness and not others. He will only think of his own gain. Very many people are there today all around us. It will be very, very difficult to find one specimen who live for the sake of others. Very rare. Even if you have some people who live for the sake of others, it is so rare that people don't even recognize. And here, in this situation, we find Indra Devata exhibiting all his base nature. Worst specimen says even Tulsidas ji, Kapata Kuchali Siva Surarajo. Parakaja Priya Apanakaju. Instead of others, he only works for himself. Kakasamana Pakari Puriti Chali Malina Katahuna Pratiti. The ways of Indra. It is said, Pakaripu, there was one Paka demon and he killed that demon. So he is also called as Paparipu. His ways are those of crow. What is crow? Very, very crafty, very malicious, and it doesn't trust anybody. Similarly is this Indra. He never trusts anyone. Prathama kumata kari kapatu sankela. And now he had planned some evil design. At the first one instance we saw this, isn't it? And he is trying to, make a net, like how the cobwebs we see. It makes a net to capture a worm or something. Similarly, he is also trying to make a web of all very deceitful thinking. So uchatu sabake siramela. And then what did he do? Uchatu. We saw this yesterday also. Uchatu Maya. What is that? It confuses the mind, perverts the mind of people. And that mind, in this Uchatu Maya, people move from one end to the other like a pendulum. Now this is correct, now that is correct. Now this is better, now that is better. Like that, people are royally confused and they go hither and thither. With this Maya, throws everybody's mind, completely confusing. Suramaya sabaloga bimohe Rama prema atisayana bichohe. Now see, how did he infatuate them? He says, this deluding potency Maya of gods, the celestial beings, here in particular Indra, they, it is so deluded, now they feel, I think it is too long, I think we should go back home. When people come to our camps, first day and all, when they see the camp place and beautiful surroundings, and if it is a hill station like Parampuja Gurudev Siddhabari, where Gurudev's Mahasamadhi Sthal is, so beautiful, such a picturesque place. When they come there, they immediately, oh, Swamiji, this is what is required for me. I think I will take a site here and permanently settle down. The camp is for only 1 week, please note. First day, then take pictures, videos, and then selfie, all that they do. Third day, Swamiji, I am feeling a little homesick. I will just go for a walk and come back. Homesick. And then 1 or 2 classes they miss. For what? Talking to people at home. Now all this beauty is all, given up in a manner of saying. Busy planning their return, buying all things for all their near and dear ones. Everything will change. Similarly, here Indra's Maya, one day felt, I think it is high time we should go home. Ayodhya, there's so many things to be done. We are all sitting here without any complete, concrete decision being made, either by Ramchandraji or Bharatji or even gurus. Nobody is making. And at the same time, another few minutes later, how can we go without Ramchandraji? What a beautiful time we have. We are all blessed to be with Ramchandraji. Mind changes. So, Uchchatan Maya, this is what he did. They were completely deprived of a sthira manaha. Bhaya uchata basa mana thira nahi. Overcome by that particular Maya, there were a lot of fear, their mind were unstable, they were completely distracted, confused. Chana bana ruchi chana sadhana sohai. Now, at early morning, beautiful scenery, wonderful, they would love the woods. By the evening, they would want to go back home to Ayodhya or Mithila, whatever. Dubidha manogati praja dukhari sarita sindhu sangama janubari. People were, completely inflicted, tortured by varied moods in their minds. All Indra's Uchchatana Maya, remember this, they were tossed hither and thither. Duchita katahu paritoshana lahahi. Eka eka sana maramuna kahahi. With this wavering mind, there was so much of confusion, there was no solace, there is no peace of mind. And very interestingly, they could not disclose it to the other person. Why? Everybody is seen so devoted to Bhagavan, and why my mind only is wavering like this? See how they are all devoted. Like that the mind thinks. This is the same case with everyone. Nobody is revealing. But at the same time, everybody's mind was wavering. Lakhi yahasikaha kripan dhanu sarisa swana maghavan jubanu. Lucky means observing, seeing through all the, people's mind, disturbed mind. Bhagavan Kripanidhanu, Sarisa Swana Maghavan Jubanu. It is like, Shvanu here, dog, Indra Devata, and a reckless youth. All these three looks alike. This is what Bhagavan saw. A dog, which is restless, moving around here and there. Indra Devata, who is also extremely reckless, seeing the emotions of people, and a reckless youth mind. What a beautiful thing. Juvanu. Juvanu means the mind of a youth which is so unstable, so restless. This is what Lord saw through all these people. भरतु जन कुमुनि जन सचिव साधु सचेत बिहाई. Other than Bharata, Janaka, Munijana, Sachiva, Sumantra, Sadhu, saints and sages, and Sacheta Bihai. Other than these people, everybody were hypnotized by Indra Devata. Lagi Deva Maya Sabahi. Everybody, Deva Maya hit them. And therefore, lot of this deluding potency which deluded everybody's mind, only that prevailed. Jatha jogu janupai. And everybody were susceptible to it. Other than those people. All of them. You know, when Bhagavan saw all of them, Bhagavan thought, it is high time that I should speak now. Because same tune is going. For some time the same tune is going. Now I have to change the moods. Therefore, Bhagavan now speaks. Kripa sindhula khiloga dukhare nija saneha surapati chalabhare sabhara ugura mahisura mantri bharata bhagati सब कै मति जंत्री राम ही चितवत चित्र लिखे से सकुचत बोलत बचन सीखे से भरत प्रीति नति विनय बढ़ाई सुनत सुखद बरनत कठिनाई जासु बिलो की भगति लवलेसु प्रेम मगन मुनि गण मिथिलेसु महिमातासु कहें किमि तुलसी भगति सुभाय सुमति हुलसी आप छोटी महिमा बड़ी जानी कभी कुल कानी मानी सकुचानी कही न सकति गुण रुचि अधिकाई मति गति बाल बचन की नाई भरत बिमल जसु बिमल विधु सुमति चकोर कुमारी उदित बिमल जन हृदय नभ एकटक रही निहारी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कृपा सिंधु Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, an ocean of compassion, seeing the people's agitation on one hand, Nijasaneha Surapati Chalabhare, and the affection which all of them have towards him for each other, and the trick played by Indra Devata on all of them. He sees all of them. Sabha Ravu Gura Mahisura Mantri. The assembly, Sabha, Ravu, King Janaka, Gura, Preceptor Vasishtaji, Mahisura, all the Brahmanas, Mantri, ministers, Bharata, Bhagati, Sabha, Mati, Jantri, all had their minds so overwhelmed. Their mind was so moved by Bharatji's devotion towards Rama. All of them could feel in their inner heart. Rama hi chitavata chitra lekhase sakuchata bolata bachana sikhe se. You know, they were all sitting without any movement, stunned by the way Bharatji had spoken. They were so still, like a painting rather than a lively being. They stood still like a painting, moving, not moving at all. And then Bharata Preeti Nati Binaya Badai. Bharata's affection, his courtesy, his modesty, his nobility, his love, his devotion were so delightful to listen to. All of these virtues can be seen in his words. So polite, so beautiful, and that feeling cannot be described. Very difficult to describe. Bharanata Katinai. So difficult to describe. Jasu biloki bhagati lavalesu prema magana muni gana mithilesu. Seeing it is a very minute particle. Now see, all the sages, host of sages who were there, King Mithila, the king of Mithila, that is Janak Maharaj, all of them, they were so absorbed in that love, even that which is expressed is a minuscule of what the love Bharatji has for Ramchandraji. He can't express the whole thing. Even that is just a minuscule of his love, but that itself brought a complete transformation in everybody's heart. They were all spellbound. Mahimata sukahai kimi tulasi bhagati subhaya sumati ahulasi. While everybody is so inspired, what can I, the poet Tulsidasa, speak of the glory of Bharata? Any amount of speech, any amount of writing on the glory of Bharata is only a minuscule. It can never even express 1% of the love and devotion what Bharatji had towards Bhagavan. Aap choti mahima badi jani, kabhi ko lakani mani sakuchai. Tulsidas writes, when I came to know of my own poverty in language, when I see Bharata's glory, how poor I am in my language, unable to express his glory. I shrank myself into my own, and the respect for Bharata went beyond all barriers. It inspires every single one who is around me. Kahi na sakati guna ruchi adhikai. Indescribable. What? That virtues which has been listed about Bharatji. Mati, Gati, Bala, Bachana, Ki, Nai. A poet can no more find any kind of language. He fails in his vocabulary. And what I am talking about Bharata is like the child's blabbering, infant speech. Bala bachana ki nai. A child which doesn't know language, which cannot speak, something it keeps on walking. We all see in the houses, isn't it? Something it will talk. It doesn't know any language, but then it wants to express itself. Therefore, it makes some sound and tries to express. Similarly, is what I am trying to do, because I cannot write with words the glory of Bharata. Bharata Bimala Jasu Bimala Bidhu. Bharata Vimala. His untarnished glory is like the moon, which transcends people's mind. It fills the heart. Sumati Chakora Kumari. While the poet's mind, pure heart, is like the Chakora bird, which feels very happy seeing the moon. Udita Bimala Jana Hridaya Nabha. This Chakora bird remains gazing on that beautiful moon which has risen, and with Ekataka Rahinihari, completely completely focuses only on that. Total concentration, total focus. Similarly, is Bharata's heart that I cannot move my mind away from that. Continuing, Bharata subhavuna sugama nigamahu लघुमति चापलता कबि छमहु कहत सुनत सति भावु भरत को सिय राम पद होई नरत को सुमिरत भरत ही प्रेम राम को जेहि न सुलभुते ही सरिस बाम को देखी दयाल दशा सब ही की राम सुजान जानी जन जी की धर्म धुरी न धीर नयनागर सत्य स्नेह शील सुख सागर देसु कालु लखी समऊ समाजू नीति प्रीति पाल कर घुराजू बोले बचन बानी सरबसु से हित परिणाम सुनत ससिरसु से तात भरत तुम धर्म धुरीना लोक वेद विद प्रेम प्रवीणा कर्म बचन मानस विमल तुम समान तुम तात गुर समाज लघु बंधु गुण कुसमय किमि कही जात सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। भरत सुभावुन सुगम निगमहु Bharata, his beautiful sentiments cannot be grasped even by Vedas. Na sugama nigamahu. Even Vedas cannot comprehend Bharatji's beautiful sentiments towards Bhagavan. Laghumati, Chapalata, Kabi Chamahu. Tulsidaji writes, hey poets, please pardon me for the very light and poor expression. My expression is not complete because His glory is so much. And my language vocabulary is so small, therefore I am unable to express. Therefore, please forgive me for that. Kahat sunat sati bhavu bharat ko. By discussing Bharatji's genuine love to whom Siya Rama pada hoi naratako, who will not get devoted to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji? While writing, while reading, that itself is so, deep that anybody who reads, anybody who writes the glory of Bharata will automatically get devoted to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji. Sumirat Bharat hi prema Ram ko. With loud word for Rama. And by the very thought of Bharata is sufficient to bring love towards Rama. Jehina sulabhutehi sarisabamako. Is there anyone so bad? Is there anyone so bad who cannot be inspired by reading about Bharata? Tulsidas asks. The glory of Bharata is such that by reading his glory, everybody will develop love towards Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Dekhi dayal dasa sabahi ke, Rama sujan jani jana ji ke. He says, seeing the plight of everybody, not knowing what to do, they are all baffled. but at the same time, the mind of everybody is watching Bharatji and his devotion towards Ramchandraji, who is all merciful, Rama Sujana, and all knowing. Sarvajna, Sarva Shaktiman, Sarva Vyapi Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji, and the devotion towards him is such a beautiful experience. Dharma Dhurina Dhira Nayanagara, Satya Saneha Sila Sukha Sagara. Who is this Rama? A champion of Dharma. And who is very, 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 he is quiet to himself. He cannot be shaken. He cannot be, he will never get carried away. Self-possessed, meaning the one who is steady, one who is very clear. That stability of mind, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji alone has. Satya Saneha Sila Sukha Sagara, wise, an ocean of truth, excellent character, nobility, and Sukha Sagara. He is a very ocean of happiness, ocean of joy. Desu kalu lakhi samau samaju, and considering appropriately the place, the time, the occasion, and the people who respected Niti Preeti Palaka Raghuraju, who respected every single aspects of people, and who respected his own position also. At the same time, he worked with so much of love to all present there. Bole bachana bani sarabasu se hita parinama sunata sasirasu se. Bhagavan Ramchandraji spoke such words which forms the very essence of all eloquence. Bole bachana bani sarabasuse. So beautiful, very eloquently. Hita parinama. What is the end result of that? Hita. It is good for everybody. Sunata, by listening. Sasirasuse, and well-being of all. Tata bharata tuma dharma dharina. Ramchandra says, dear Bharata, my loving brother, you are Dharamadhari, Dhurina, you are the very upholder of virtues, righteousness, Dharma, Loka Beda Bida Prema Prabhina, and you are very well versed in the knowledge of Loka. And Prema Prabhina, the Vedas very clearly declare that your love is absolutely utmost. Amazing. Vedas declare. Karma bachana manasa bimala tuma samana tuma tata. Earlier, Bharatji described Ramchandraji's glory. Now Ramchandraji describes Bharata's glory. Pure in thought, karma, vachana, manasa, in thought, word and deed, vimala, you are absolutely pure. Tuma samana, tuma tata. Hey tata, oh brother, there is nobody who can be compared towards you. You alone are your own comparison. Gurasama, the same thought he gave about Ramchandraji earlier. Remember? Gurasamaja laghu bandhu guna kusamaya kimi kahijata. In the assembly of elders, in such adverse circumstances, Gura Samaja laghu bandhu guna kusamaya kimi kahijata. How can I ever recount the glories, the virtues of my younger brother? Ramchandraji is astonished. Ramchandraji became spellbound. He is not finding the words to express the glory of Bharatji. One more chaupai we will see. Janahu tata tarani kulariti सत्यसन्धपितु कीरति प्रीति समऊ समाजु लाज गुर जनकी उदासीन हित अनहित मन की तुम ही विदित सब ही कर करमु आपन मोर परम हित धरमु मोहि सब भांति बरोस तुम्हारा तदपि कहूँ अवसर अनुसारा तात तात बिनु बात हमारी केवल गुर कुल कृपा सभारी न तरु प्रजा परिजन परिवारु हम ही सहित सबु होत खुआरु जाऊं बिनु अवसर अथवा दिनेसु जग किए कहूँ न होई कलेसु तस उत्पातु तात विधि कीन्हा मुनि मिथिलेश राखी सबुलीन्हा राजकाज सब लाजपति धर्म धरनि धन धाम गुर प्रभाव पाली सबही भल होई परिणाम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Ramchandra ji continues to say, Janahu tat tarani kulariti. Oh brother, hey Bharata, Janahu, you know. Tarani kulariti, you really know. Tarani means Surya. Tarani kula, Surya kula, solar dynasty, Raghu kula. Riti, you know the traditions. You know very well about how the Surya Kula Vamsha functions. Earlier we saw Raghukula Riti Sada Chali Aayi Pran Jaye Par Vachan Na Jaye. So you know the way the Raghukula functions. Satya Sandhapitu Kirati Priti. You know how truthful and how famous our father was. समऊ समाजु लाज गुर जन की उदासीन हित अनहित मन की. You are also conscious of the people here, the occasion, every people who are completely immersed in emotion and consideration. You have to consider properly based on everybody, their feelings, their thoughts. Tumahi bidita sabahi kara karamu. And you are always aware of everybody's duty. And you, for yourself in particular, you know everybody's duty. Apanamora paramahita dharamu. And what is best for you, what is best for me, and what we both should do. Apana mora paramahita dharmu. What is the best? Mohi sab bhati bharosa tumhara tadapi kahau avasara anusara. I am completely confident that you will take up in the right perspective and appropriate to the occasion you will work. However, he Rama, tadapi avasara anusara kaham, called as per the conditions around, I will say something. Tata, my dear brother, Tata binu bata hamari. I am speaking in the absence of a father, but in the status of a father. Please understand that. Kevala Gurukula Kripa Sambari. All our interests, hey Bharata, have been, beautiful, wonderful only because of the blessings of our Guru. Kevala Gurukula Kripa. Because of the blessings of the Gurukula, we are unable to be in such wonderful status at present. Nataru praja parijana parivaru. Otherwise, Nataru praja, our subjects, parijana, our own people, kinsmen, parivaru, our own people, family people, hamahi sahita sabu hota khuaru. And ourselves, we also all would have been, thrown. We will be in such bad state. If at all we are still here with such wonderful condition, with so much of respect, reverence by everybody, it is only because of Guru Kripa. जाओ बिनु अवसर अथवा दिनेसु जग के ही कहूँ न होई कुलेसु. The sun, Surya, sets before time or comes up late. If an occasion occurs where the sun does not rise on time or the sun sets late, okay, chalo, today I will set at 10:30 at night. If the sun says, everybody will be in trouble, is it not? Who will not be in trouble? Jaga kehi kaha ho na hoi kulesu. Everybody will be in hardship. Tasa, in the same way, similarly, utapatu tata bidikinha. The fate has brought us to this condition of total disarray, we say. And of course, we all know, we have just seen how Indra has created such a mess. Muni mithile sarakhi sabulika. But sage Vashishtaji and the greatness of Janaka has kept us intact. They have saved us with their goodness, with their blessing, Guru Kripa. We all have been saved. Otherwise, we would be in tatters. Rajakaj sabalaj pati dharma dharani dhan dham. Not only affairs of the state, our honor, the fair name which we have got, the good name which we have earned, dharma dharani, our virtue, land, dhana, riches, dhama, houses, Guru Prabhavu. All these are protected only because of the Guru's glory. Guru Prabhavu palihi sabahi bhalahoihi parinama. And it will surely end very well because all of us are blessed by the Guru Kripa, by Vashishtaji, by Janaka Maharaj. We are all blessed. Therefore, everything will end very well. Do not worry. Do not succumb to your own wrong thinking. And this advice is also for the others who are sitting there. Don't lose hope. Everything will be fine. Is a confidence given by Bhagavan to Bharata and all of them. Then what happens? We will see tomorrow. Right? Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. उमापति महादेव की जय. बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय. श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय.